In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to set up reminders in Salesflare, so you can stay on top of your sales tasks without missing a beat. Salesflare is a powerful CRM designed to make your life easier by automating time-consuming tasks, and setting up reminders is one of the best ways to keep everything organized. Stick around until the end, because I've got an exclusive bonus for you if you're new to Salesflare and want to try it out for yourself. First, let's dive straight into setting up reminders in Salesflare. To begin, you'll need to create a task in the system. Tasks in Salesflare are how you set reminders for follow-ups, calls, or any important actions you need to take. You can easily create a new task by selecting any contact or deal within the CRM. Once you've chosen your contact, go to the task section where you can add a new task. You'll see a button that says Add Task. Go ahead and click that. From here, you'll be prompted to set the details of your task. You can choose the type of task you want to set, such as a follow-up call, an email, or even just a reminder to review something later. What's great is that you can set the task date and time, so it's not just a vague reminder, it's a specific scheduled action. And if you want, you can also assign the task to other team members if you're collaborating on a deal. This way, everyone knows what needs to be done and when. Now, one of the most powerful features of reminders in Salesflare is the ability to sync your tasks with your calendar. This means that once you set a reminder, it's not just within the CRM, it's also showing up in your Google Calendar or whatever calendar system you use. So when you're scheduling a follow-up, you won't need to switch back and forth between apps. Everything is integrated seamlessly to save you time and mental energy. Let's talk about how to get notified. Once you've created your reminder, Salesflare gives you the option to set up notifications. You can choose to receive these reminders via email, browser notifications, or even mobile push notifications. This is extremely helpful if you're on the go and don't want to miss a critical follow-up. It's all about staying connected, no matter where you are. Another great feature I want to highlight is the Smart Reminders option. Salesflare uses automation to remind you of important tasks based on your activity and deals. For example, if you've been engaging with a contact, Salesflare will smartly suggest when you should follow up with them. This feature takes a lot of guesswork out of the equation, making sure that nothing slips through the cracks. So whether you're a solo entrepreneur or part of a sales team, setting up reminders in Salesflare ensures that you're on top of everything and never miss a deadline. The reminders you set will help keep your pipeline moving and prevent potential leads from falling through the cracks. As a quick bonus, Salesflare offers a free trial of the software. But here's the kicker. You can access an extended trial and special bonuses through the link in the description below. This is a great opportunity to test out all the powerful features, including reminders, to see how they can help you increase productivity and streamline your sales process. To recap, setting up reminders in Salesflare is quick and easy. By creating tasks, syncing with your calendar, and receiving notifications, you can stay on top of every important follow-up and ensure that your sales process runs smoothly. Don't forget to check out the exclusive offer linked below for an extended free trial. Thanks for watching, and be sure to check out the description for the special trial link.